Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY Jamaican chicken, jerk chicken. I'm doing it the African way, so this is by no means I'm trying to be Jamaican or whatsoever. It's just the flavor of this sauce, this jerk season sauce. Basically, you know, normally when we use African chicken, so we do our seasoning and also use this jerk sauce. So thanks to my girl Haja, so she's the one that usually makes this, you know, jerk chicken. So she showed me what to do and things like that. So I'm gonna add my own flavor into it. And basically, so like I said, by no means trying to take the Jamaican originality from it. Whatever, this is just the way we are doing our thing as an African. Okay, so that being said, let me show you basically what we're going to be doing. Okay, so this is the Jamaican sauce right here. This is the original Jamaican jerk season sauce, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so what you're gonna be needing is I cut up 1 onion, 1 Maggi, 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, and 1 ginger and 2 garlic. And here I have lemon juice, paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, chili pepper, seasoned salt, and chicken flavor Maggi. So what I'm gonna do is going to blend these ingredients together in here. So now that I have blended everything, so now let me show you my chicken that I'm gonna be using. This is my African hard chicken that I have cleaned and put in a pot. So now what we're going to be doing now is add our ingredients into a pot. Like I said, you can use any chicken that you want to use, but this is the African hard chickens that I have in here. Okay, so what we're gonna use is lemon juice. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Don't want too much, but just enough. Okay, just that. I'm gonna put paprika. It's just like you seasoning your own meats the way that you normally do, or cooking. Basically, use that. Put chili powder, just a little bit, and then Maggi. Just put in 1 spoon of it. And also seasoned salt. Okay, not putting much, but just a little bit. I'm going to put my ingredients that I blended into the pot. So now I'm gonna turn my stove on to medium and let it cook down. So I'm gonna put some water in here so that it will cover the pot, because this is hard chickens. This is not American chicken that takes literally 10 minutes. This usually takes 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Okay, so this is it right here. So now I'm just gonna mix everything up and let it cook down. And then once it cooks down, and then I'm gonna show you next what I'm going to do, and yeah, how I'm gonna rub the jerk chicken salt, the jerk seasoning salt into the chicken. But let it cook down first and have all the seasoning into it, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay guys, so now this is how my chicken is looking like after it's been, I think, 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, so now I'm going to drain the water that's in here, and then I'm gonna put it in my bowl. so that I can mix the sauce with this and marinate the chicken with the sauce before I actually grill the chicken outside. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the sauce. This is the sauce I'm using, so I'm just gonna put that in here. And then I'm just gonna mix this up. Like I said, this is my own thing I'm doing. It just has the original Jamaican jerk seasoning into it. So this African girl trying to do Jamaican thing. You know? Do you know? And this will taste so good when you grill them outside. Today is July 4th. Happy July 4th to all of you. So yes. So now, let me taste. That's exactly what I want. Yes, exactly what I want. So now I'm gonna put everything in here. And then I'm gonna mix it up, and then I'm gonna leave it back into this pot for about 20 to 30 minutes or even 1 hour, because I'm actually making snow crabs outside. And so I just want to marinate this once it's done, and then I will grill this and I will show you guys the final look, how it literally, like, you know, tastes after I grill it outside, and it will be so bomb. Yes, y'all, this is what I mean by doing my own thing. Putting my own mix into it, you know, make it your own flavor, make it your own way, doing the Jamaican chicken, hot chicken. So guys, okay, ooh, tastes good. You see me keep licking, right? So guys, let it sit and marinate. I will come back and show you guys when I'm grilling, and I'll show you the final look.